Hi, this is Jaishri. We are Imperium Ventures and we are dealing in electronic kitchen appliances. So we have wide range of products. So from domestic range to commercial range, we have all the products. So if a common man wants to install a new technology, so we have products for them. And if anybody wants to make new startup and if any hotel industries need some assistance, so we do serve them as well. Okay, so if we start with domestic reach, our hero things are this oil machine. As you know, after corona people are tired of these things कि भाई हमको healthy food चाहिए, nutritious चाहिए, organic चाहिए. तो if we go out, सब basic thing what we eat in our food is oil. आप कुछ भी कुक कर रहे हो उसमें ऑयल जा रहा है. दैट ऑयल तो बाहर से आप ला रहे हो तो दो हेल्दी नहीं है बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स पाम ऑयल. इट्स नॉट आउट ऑफ ऑल केमिकल प्रोसेसेस. तो आप खुद घर पे ऑयल निकालिए तो यू विल गेट, आंखों के सामने होगा तो प्योर ऑयल आपको मिलेगा. So this is my oil machine. I'll brief you up something about it. This is hopper. We have to pour seeds in it. Hopper seeds will go here. This is screw. Here the processing will do. After this process, oil will come out here, and the residual part will come out from here. So it's just a simple process. Anybody can do. On the back of it, there are switches to start the machine, to off the machine, and this after using machine, the cleaning is also very easy. The screw works clockwise. When we have to clean this, we have to switch this on, and it will turn out anti-clockwise. So the if anything is stuck, that will come out. So it's just a simple process. Okay, these are my oil machines. We have many wide range of oil machines. Like in terms of technically, if I talk from 400 watts to 600, 650, 750, 1200, 2000. I have a combination. We do manufacture and we have import machine also. So accordingly, in which segment which is required, we work accordingly. So these are my domestic models, and there you can see. So if you want to make a production of 3000 kg per day, 6500 kgs per day, 10,000 kgs per day, so we do serve them also. So if anybody wants to set up a plant of oil, so we scatter them as well. And if there are people are believing in startups, and ladies don't want to sit idle at home, they want to do their own work, so we have introduced this smaller commercial model. Please, I'll show you. This is my first commercial model. So we call it IMP20. It is a 2000 watts machine. So suppose a common layman wants to start a new business from home, they can start it because as you can see, it's a compact in size. You can place it anywhere in your home, and simple process. 2000 watts ka machine hai, and it will crush approximately 15 to 20 kgs per hour. So if anybody wants to start a small business, and if anybody wants to start a bigger business but want to take a trial how it is going to work, how he's going to find dealers and distributors, how he's going to interact with customers, they can start with taking an experimental phase basis. So this machine, we are selling it at 1,09,000. So it's kind of pocket friendly for who wants to start a business. So these all are my oil machines. And the another thing which we have is our masala grinders. These are our masala grinders. These are having in different capacities. This is the smallest one. This is 100 gram masala grinders. It is a 700 watts machine. Okay. Bigger than that is 300 grams. Then we have 500 grams, 1000, 2000 and 3000. From 100 grams to we have up to 3 kgs. So from home to commercial, everything is available here. And it gives this fine powder. As you can, this can grind turmeric directly. This is raw turmeric. This is my product. So you don't have to crush it and then mixer grinder में उसको बार-बार churn करो. So it is like hassle free. In seconds you'll get this fine pure result. So this is all I have.